Today, we're making Potstickers, dumplings, and dipping sauce. So if you love dim sum, or you just want to find out what it is, stay tuned because these recipes are up next. I'm using ground pork sausage. I'm going to add some hoisin and a little bit of oyster sauce, some carrots, and some scallions. And last but not least, some garlic with some black pepper. Get right into it, fully incorporate it until it looks like this. Now, to get started, we have our Peking ravioli, or as you call them, Potstickers, wrappers. Wet the entire ring all the way around the outside of the wrapper. Just water. Dab a little bit of your ground pork. Be careful not to overcrowd it. Fold it in half like a taco. And I like to take my index finger and press here in the middle to make sure it's a perfect half moon shape before I start to fold on this left side. Then, working my fingers back and forth, I fold much like a pie crust look. Just fold and press. Fold and press. Very simple. A little tedious maybe, but this is how it's done. You only fold and press on one side. Just like this. Now once you've pressed, you can fit it all the way around, make it a little better shape, give it that half moon look, and you're done. One pot sticker ready to go. Now if you want to cut your time in half, just start the same thing all over again. Get it wet, put your pork in, fold it in half so you can start making your pleats, but make your pleats half the distance and you cut half the time of putting these things together. And as you can see, it's perfectly uniform and ready to go. Now we're ready to steam. Of course, we're going to need some boiling water, a metal strainer, and a cabbage leaf or bok choy leaf, whatever you've got. Keeps the wrapper from sticking as the dough cooks in the steam. And you just load them all the way around. You don't have to be perfect, but just make sure they're not touching each other. Lid on for 7 minutes, and this is what you get. Perfectly cooked, steamed Potstickers. You can eat them like this, or you can do the pan-fried method. And it's just enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan on medium-high heat. As I show you, I can throw one in because it's hot, but you just sear the bottom and then throw them on paper towels. Got some water here and some tempura dipping sauce just to make it easy. And we'll plate this and load in our Potstickers one at a time. Normal appetizer amount is 4 Potstickers. And there you have it. Peking raviolis, or as we call them, Potstickers, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients. Everyone knows that using fresh ingredients makes your food when you're cooking that much better. And that's why I'm using the soya all-natural wonton wraps. Start by cutting some fresh scallions, fresh cilantro, fresh ginger, bell pepper, julienne, and some shoestring carrots, and last but not least, some fresh garlic. With this beautiful array of fresh ingredients, we'll be making some tasty shrimp dumplings. Taking our peeled and deveined shrimp through a meat grinder, we will be able to conform the shrimp into a shape that's manageable for a wonton wrapper. But if you don't have a meat grinder at your disposal, using the old-fashioned knife technique is just fine. And once it's cut and all ground up, we can start adding all of our fresh ingredients. Also a little dab of soy sauce and some sesame oil. Once we give that a little bit of a stir, we're going to add some black pepper. And this is how you want it to look when it's all mixed in. And again, using our Nasoya wraps, we'll start making our shrimp dumplings. Lay it flat on your palm, and with a dab of water, go around all of the outside edges. Then adding a heaping tablespoon of our shrimp mixture, we'll fold in each corner one at a time, like folding a paper airplane. Pinch up through the center, and they'll stick. Fold each side again, pinch up the center, allow it to stick, and work the other sides, forming a star shape. Just squeeze firmly and it'll seal right up, and there in the middle as well. And there you go, one shrimp dumpling. But if you'd like an easier way to do it, just take the same heaping tablespoon in the center and fold them over corner to corner right in half like a taco, and seal them up. It's that easy. But if you want to make it fun and take it one step further, all you have to do is the traditional wonton fold to the back, and take the sides and fold them to the front with one dab of water on the corner. Press firmly and it'll hold. Just like that. Now here's my steam tray lined with leaves. You can use cabbage, spinach, lettuce, bok choy leaves, anything that will ensure that the shrimp dumpling doesn't tear when you try to remove them after the steaming process. Steaming only takes 7 minutes from the time that you cover with a lid. Now's a good time to make your sauce. But if you want the dipping sauce recipe, you'll have to wait till the end of the video for the link. And here's our beautiful steamed shrimp dumplings. And as you can see, they lift right up off of those leaves. If you're pan frying your shrimp dumplings, just 1/8 inch of oil across the bottom of your pan on medium heat will get the bottoms cooked exactly the way you want them. And you can reach right in with your fingers, and as you see, a nice golden color. And every restaurant dabs them on paper towels just to get rid of the grease. Right before you plate. And there you have it, steamed and pan-fried shrimp dumplings right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet kitchen. And make sure that you click here for this dipping sauce recipe. This recipe is easily doubled or tripled. It's just 1 part sugar, 1 part warm water, 1 part soy sauce, and ½ part rice wine vinegar. Now some chopped garlic, some fresh chopped cilantro, and a squeeze of this here lime. If you decide you want to give it a little bit of a kick, just add some chili flakes. And there you have it, pot sticker and dumpling dipping sauce right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.